Hello guys, let's solve the SQL query called Top Competitors. The question is, Julia just finished conducting a coding contest and she needs your help assembling the leaderboard. Write a query to print the respective hacker ID and name of the hacker who achieved full score for more than one challenge. So they are asking us to write a query to print the names and the respective hacker ID of those hackers who achieved full score for more than one challenge. And they're also asking us order that output in descending order by total number of challenges in which the hacker earned a full score. So we have to order them in descending order. For example, if hacker 1 scored 10 challenges, a full score, and hacker 2 scored 3 challenges, a full score. So hacker 1 comes first and following the hacker 2. And if more than one hacker received full score in same number of challenges, then sort them by ascending hacker ID. For example, both the hackers scored 4 challenges the full score. So based on their ascending order of their hacker ID, we have to print their names. So let's see the tables that they gave us. This is the hacker table. This is the difficulty table where we have difficulty level and score, and challenges table, submissions table. Total around 5 tables, I guess. Yes, 5 tables. One second. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 tables. Sorry. Yeah. Total, they gave us 4 tables. And in order to solve this problem, we have to know how to join the tables in such a way that we get the desired output. Let's see the sample input and try to understand how we can achieve the output that they are expecting. So this sample input, they gave us hackers table where they have hacker ID and name. And they gave us difficulty table. They have difficulty level and score. Challenges table, challenge ID, hacker ID, difficulty level. Submissions table, submission ID, hacker ID, challenge ID, and score. So just try to make sense how we gonna achieve that. They're asking us to find out first total number of challenges that hackers had a full score. So in order to find out that, we need to get score they got in each challenge. So we can achieve that by using like challenge ID, which specifies the specific challenge and the score they got for that challenge. So we have to start with submissions table then. Everybody knows that the output is hackers table. So in order to join those two tables, the common column is hacker ID in both the tables. So let's use those common column and join those two tables and see how we're gonna get output as. We are just keep in mind we are not aiming for output directly. We are building our code in such a way that we get the output in more than one step. So select, they're asking hacker ID, hacker ID, and name. These are from hackers table, right? Let's just run the code and see what we get as an outcome. Even though we got wrong answer, as I said, we're gonna do bunch of steps in order to achieve that answer. But we can see we have hacker ID and the name of the hacker. So it's not bad. As we discussed, we can try joining submission table with the hacker table and get more information about hacker, such as score they had for this particular challenge. So join submission table. So inner joined submission. Since we are using multiple table names, let's try to have shortcuts. So it makes our job easy. Just adding shortcuts, that's all. And we join this table using common column. Here, common column is hacker ID. In both the tables, we can see here in hacker table, they have hacker ID. Even in submission table, they have hacker ID. So on condition, h dot hacker ID equals to s dot hacker ID. From this joining, we can get more information like score they got and challenge ID of that particular challenge. Challenge ID and the score they got for that challenge. So let's run the code and see. So we can see hacker ID and name of the hacker and challenge ID and the score they got for that particular challenge. And we also need to find out the total score that they can get for this particular challenge. So that we know if they get full score or not. So in order to get that, we need to work towards the table so we can go towards the score, total score. So for that, we have to I'll try joining challenges table. Here we have same challenge ID column. Using that, I'm going to join these two tables, submissions table and the table we formed just now and challenges table. For that, I'm using inner join. Let's see on condition start challenge ID equals to C dot challenge ID. Challenge ID. And using this, we're gonna form this link where we can get difficulty level. And using this column and this column, we're gonna join these two columns in such a way using same inner join. And I'm joining the above table with difficulty table. Difficulty table as the on condition C dot difficulty level, equals to D dot difficulty level. So from this, we can find out the maximum score they can get for this particular challenge. That is D dot score is the maximum score that they can get for this particular challenge. Let's run and see. So through this, we can see hacker ID, hacker name, challenge ID, the score they got, and maximum score they can get. For example, here Patricia had scored the maximum score for this particular challenge. So using this, we can find out on which challenges they got maximum score. For that, this code is where a start score equals to D dot score. And we have to group by this on the name and ID. Group by H dot ID, H dot name. And they also gave us a couple of conditions here. One is name the hackers who achieve full score for more than one challenge. So in order to count number of challenges they got full score, we can use this function count using challenge ID. We can count challenge ID. Here they're asking the count should be greater than 1, since number of challenges they have full score should be at least more than 1. Having count greater than 1. We don't need this too. And also they gave one more condition here. Order your output in descending order by total number of challenges in which the hacker earned and full score. So we have to order this by descending order. Order by. We count total number of challenges where they had full score using challenge ID. Descending order. And they also gave us if more than one hacker received full score in same number of challenges, then sort them by ascending hacker ID. So let's see if it works. Yes, it worked. Thank you, guys.